hole in the exhaust, like right next to the engine block. There's a little hole right there. So that's why my bike sounds so different. There should be a video where my bike sounds normally right about here. And I'll show you how it sounds right now. So you heard that, right? That might be the reason why it's backfiring too. I don't know how to show y'all. But I cracked it in half. Like, listen to the way my bike sounds. It's too loud.
Sounds like your TTR.
It sounds like my TTR. So, yeah, we're gonna go walk down, try to get some service because I don't have any to call my dad. And now I just need new exhaust. Okay, so, my bike. I kind of did a little something to it. As of right now, it is 2 days later. Wait. Yes, 2 days later. And so far, I've been looking on Amazon. And a fix is $101.94. Okay, so this thing right here is supposed to go right there. But pretend all this is right here. Exhaust leads to this. This goes into the engine. This snapped in half. I could tell a difference on my sound. I had headphones in and I still was in extreme pain because of my ears. I can't hear. So yeah, that's the update on my bike. Bye.